Hi. To do Kahoot, you need to log into the website www.create.kahoot.it. It's right up here. And then you need to go to Get My Free Account if you don't have an account already. I have one, so I'm going to go ahead and log in, sign in. And it takes me to the home page. Here you have three options. You can create a quiz, a discussion, or a survey. Once you've created a Kahoot, they are located up here in My Kahoots. You can actually go to public Kahoots, to ones that are previously made from other people. But for this, we are going to make one, and we're going to make a quiz. I use those most often in my classroom. Once you're on the quiz homepage, you need to make a title. And for this example, we're going to make one on American holidays. So I'm going to title this American Holidays. And then under the description, it's similar to YouTube. You can use descriptions with hashtag. So we'll hashtag Christmas, hashtag Valentine's Day, hashtag Independence Day, hashtag Thanksgiving. And then this is optional, but you can create an image for your quiz. And I've already saved one to my computer. Go back to downloads, holidays. And then if it has a question mark beside it, it's optional. It will say required if you need to type it in. Like this, your audience for your group is usually for a school. And then if you want to do an intro video, you can at the start of your quiz, but you don't have to. And we'll press OK, go. And now we're ready to type our questions in. So we'll start with the first question. Click the plus sign. The question goes up here, and we'll say, what holiday falls on February 14th? You can give them a time limit for how long they have to answer. Your students have to answer. You can award points. I always click yes, but we don't ever keep up with the points. And then you have to do at least 2 answers for your multiple choice. So I'll type 2 answers in here. And then you need to make sure you click the check beside the correct answer so it knows which one is the answer. You can do another image or another video for each question if you prefer. If you're ready to move on, click Next. And the first question is saved here. We'll go on to the next question. Click Add Question. Again, type the question up top. What holiday falls on July 4th? Same thing, time limit, if you want to award points or not, and your multiple choice answers. And then choose the correct answer, check beside it, and click Next. You can also do an image if you wanted to. You don't have to. Click Next. And we already have 2 questions. That's enough just to show you this example. So we are going to go up to the top right corner and press Save. Okay, and you have an option here. You can preview it, you can play it, or you can click I'm done. For this tutorial, we're going to click Preview It so that you can see what it looks like. At this point, the students are logging on to their computers, and their website that they go to is kahoot.it. They don't have the create in front of it because they're waiting for a game pin. So on your screen, while it's loading, there's two options. You can click Classic, where all the students play their own game. They play each other. Or if you put your students in groups, maybe your classroom has 4 iPads, they could work together in a group. But for this purposes, we're going to click Classic. And while it's loading, over here on the preview, it actually gives you what the students are seeing. So this is what the students see on their computer. And I'll turn the volume down. This is the game pin. So we're able to come over here so we can see what the students see and type in the game pin. This is what the students do now. And press enter. And then the students have an option to create a nickname. That'll come up in just a minute. And I tell them just to keep it appropriate. Will be Teacher A. And we're in. The names will come up here. If the name is inappropriate, you can click on it so they have to come up with a new name. And we're ready to play the game when all of the students have logged in and have a nickname. And we will press Start as the teacher. And the quiz comes up onto the projector screen or the computer screen. And the questions will come up on this side. So the question, what holiday falls on February 14th? The two options are Easter and Valentine's Day. And actually the symbol matches the computer screen on the students. So they'll choose the correct answer based on the image. And since we're the only one playing, one answer comes up and we are correct. The teacher clicks Next. And next. And then the second question, what holiday falls on July 4th? We're waiting. The two answers, Independence Day or Christmas Day, and they match the symbol to the correct answer. Press Next. And then here's the score if you're keeping up with the points. Press End. And that is the end of the quiz. Your top scorer will be listed at the top. All right, so we are going to X out of this tab, go back to the original tab and press I'm done. And then here's your quizzes that you have made. And you can access them anytime you log into your account. Both are public. If you want other people to be able to see them, you can make them private. And anytime you're ready for your students to play, you just have them log into Kahoot.it, and then you press play. And it comes up on your screen with a game pin. And that's how you use this website in your classroom.